Friends, today we are going to revise the chapter Election and Representation. As we know, our countries having a representative democracy. Why it is known as representative democracy? Because it is run by the people who are elected by us. Elections are held regularly in any democracy. Electoral competition, sometimes they are having very good and sometimes they are having demerits also. What are the demerits? They divide the society, they fractionalize the society. Alternative system of representation, we have done territorial representation and the functional representation. Territorial representation, that is done according to the geography of the country. We have been doing the territorial representation is adopted in our country. So seats are being divided between the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes also. 84 seats have been reserved for scheduled caste and 47 for scheduled tribes. In India, what is the voter says? 18 universal adult franchise, 18 years. Election Commission is being responsible for holding the elections in India. Election procedure is also many stages are being there. Various defects also in the Indian electoral system. So today we are going to discuss, because it's not a theoretical question, your paper, this is only objective type papers is there. So here the questions are being given to you. Explain the term franchise. The right to vote is called franchise. Term election, it is a mechanism by which we can choose our candidates and can change them if we wish to do so. What is a general election? If we have been holding the elections after every 5 years or whatsoever our routine is there in the constitution, that is known as general election. What are the midterm election? When the elections are held before the completion of the tenure of the parliament or the assembly, that is known as midterm election. What is by-election? By-election is that election in which if a candidate dies or if a candidate resigns, then the elections are being held to fulfill that seat. It is known as by-elections. Who decides the dates for the general election? Election Commissioner. How many members are there in the election? One election, Chief Election Commissioner is there and 2 other members are being there. Who appoints all these? Members of the Election Commission are appointed by the President of India. Who enjoys the right to vote in India? Every person who is above 18 years of age, he enjoys the right to vote. Now that is the questions that have been given in your, I think, NCERT back exercise have been there. First, it is the which of the following most of the direct democracy, and this is decision taken by the Gram Sabha. Which of the following tasks are not performed by the Election Commission? So that is E को ignore कर देना, 4 ही ऑप्शन आनी है आपको. तो nominating the candidates, बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. फॉलोइंग टास्क आर नॉट परफॉर्म. नॉमिनेट कौन करता है? कैंडिडेट्स, पार्टी लीडर्स करते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉमन टू द मेथड ऑफ इलेक्शन मेंबर्स ऑफ द राज्य सभा? वी आर बीन अडॉप्टिंग द every citizen is an eligible voter. Method of the election to the members of Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha. लेकिन राज्य सभा के मेंबर हम प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन से चुनते हैं. फर्स्ट, पास्ट एंड द पोस्ट सिस्टम, कैंडिडेट इज डिक्लेयर्ड द विनर हु अटेन्स अ मैक्सिमम वोट्स, दैट इज डिक्लेयर्ड एज द विनर. देन दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का टेन्योर कितना है? 6 इयर्स का. कैंडिडेट कौन है? जो इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करता है. नॉमिनेशन मीन्स वंस नेम when we nominate the name for contesting the election. Notification कौन issue करता है? President. I have underlined also. Okay, is issued by the president. For the license, notification is issued by the governor. दोनों को बहुत अच्छे से देखना है. नोटिफिकेशन इलेक्शन की लोकसभा और राज्यसभा की प्रेसिडेंट इशू करता है और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली स्टेट के इलेक्शंस की गवर्नर करता है. बाय विच एलिगेशन द मेंबर ऑफ इलेक्शन कमीशन कैन बी removed on the charges of misbehavior or incapacity. EVM abbreviation किसके लिए यूज होती है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन. FPTP, it stands for first past the post. How many seats have been reserved for? Just I have told you. Seats 84 seats have been reserved for scheduled caste and 47 seats have been reserved for scheduled tribes. How many seats are reserved for scheduled tribes? In which states more than 30 Lok Sabha constituents are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. These are having the bicameral legislature also. What is the countermanding of the elections? Countermanding अभी आपको पता है by election. If a candidate dies, election in that constituency is countermanded. Then countermanded means postponement of the election in the event of death of a candidate. Any one test of a good electoral system means the election commission should be completely independent, that he should be not pressurized by the government. Salary of the members, ये नहीं इतना क्वेश्चन अच्छा. Minimum age limit for the right to vote is 18 years. Which one of the following arguments is against the universal adult franchise? It is democratic, yes. It ensures political equality, yes. It makes people politically awakened, very good. It inculcates anti-nationalism, no. It is not the good answer. Territorial representation means geographical representation. Which of the following system of representation is most popular in the modern state? Territorial representation. हम geographical area के basis पे अपने देश को बांटते हैं ना. Which of the following statements about the reason of conducting elections are false? What is this? Means जुडिशरी का कोई रोल नहीं है इलेक्शन के कंटेस्टेंट्स में, तो एक ही लाइन इसमें जो अलग से वो जुडिशरी वाली है, तो इसको आप फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट में लोगे. विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड रीज़न टू से डैट इंडियन इलेक्शंस आर डेमोक्रेटिक. क्यों नहीं हम कहते? बिकॉज द इलेक्शंस इन इंडिया, हम डेमोक्रेटिक इसलिए नहीं कहते कि हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं वोट करने वाले, नो. अदरवाइज तीनों ऑप्शन इलेक्शन कमीशन की हैं, एक ही ऑप्शन जो है वो रीज़न नहीं है आपका. ये आपकी बैक एक्सरसाइज है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी वही है. डिसीजन टेकन बाय द ग्राम सभा इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी. फॉलोइंग टास्क आर बीन, ये आप कर ही चुके हो. पंचायत एंड इलेक्शंस आर नॉट परफॉर्म बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन, वो स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन करवाता है इनके इलेक्शन ग्राम पंचायत के. Which of the following is common to the method of election of the members of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? इन सभी को डिस्कस करना आपने इसमें. ओके, नाउ here it is the first past and post system. ये भी कुछ ये JPH बुक के हैं बेटा सारे क्वेश्चन. आप फिर भी इनको प्रॉपरली पढ़ लीजिए. मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट होता है. The person who is being contesting the election, whether he is following the certain rules and regulation set by the election commission. Midterm election, all the questions are being repeated again and again, but still I have given you these questions so that you can take the chapter at a glance. एक ही झलक में जैसे सारे चैप्टर पढ़ना होता है तो आप इसको ऐसे कर लोगे. ओके, I am sitting there for you. Please ask me any question which you are not able to understand out of these questions. Okay. So tomorrow I shall take your last chapter once again, and that is legislature. And then all the 4 chapters I will take before. On second you are having the paper. On first we will revise all the 4 chapters once again. Okay, beta.